Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out and reviewing the new Dominique Cosmetics and Jadeywadey180 collab. It is a primer and a spray. So if you want to see how these products work, then just keep watching. We're gonna hope my lighting doesn't change a bunch throughout this video, but obviously in the last couple it has been. And I'm sorry, I need help. Somebody tell me down below how to fix the lighting, because it's constantly like if I put something up, changing and going like really yellow or really pale. So anyways, side note, are we impressed? My hair is down. I never wear it down, and I've worn it down 3 times this week. I know that doesn't sound like a big thing, but it's a big thing for me. It's normally up daily. It's just, I mean, it's just so much. Anyways, basically Dominique Cosmetics, which is owned by Kristen Dominique here on YouTube, she collaborated with Jadeywadey180. Her name is so fun. So anyways, they collaborated and came out with a ultra hydrating fine mist and a ultra hydrating complexion primer. So you could buy them separate, or you could buy the kit, the bundle, and the bundle comes with this cute little bag. I feel like my favorite color has always been like a teal or a mint. Lately though, it's been lavender. But anyways, I have never actually purchased from Dominique Cosmetics until this time. I did receive their Lemonade lip gloss in a BoxyCharm, so it's the only product I'd ever tried from them. And I want to start trying newer brands that, I mean, I've heard about, but I don't necessarily hear about a lot. Just because there are a lot of other good brands out there that aren't just the top brands you hear of, and so I want to start trying more. So when I heard that they were doing this collaboration and it's all about hydrating, I'm like, yeah, I need it. So I obviously bought this, but then I went ahead and picked up a couple other things. I got their masks because they were free, so I picked up 2, one for me and my husband. They're free with purchase, sorry. And then I also picked up the Latte 2, which I like. I actually played with this the other day. I kind of wish I would have picked up the first one instead, because I didn't pay enough attention when I looked at this online, and I'm too fair that there's not really a good transition shade. This is pretty much my skin tone, so then I didn't have a good transition shade. But I did still try it the other day, and I did really like it. I used this as a pop of color on my under eye, which was really pretty. And then I also got a liquid lipstick. I think it's a liquid lipstick in the shade Nude Kisses. I'm just going to show you this stuff real quick because I'm not going to actually try it. I just want you to see it before we jump into the actual review. So this is that color. So let's actually now jump into why you're here. So we have, like I said, a primer and a mist. So the directions for the mist says that you can mist to prep your face, set your makeup, or refresh and hydrate throughout the day. So I think we're going to use the spray for both. Is it really getting yellow again? Is it just the background or me? I swear, I can't. I'm almost thinking about switching back to my old camera. Problem with my old camera is it has a focus on the face only, which is fine unless I'm trying to show you product, and it will not focus on it. So that's the reason I stopped using that, but I might have to switch back. How do people wear their hair down? I just, get out. Okay, let's do the spray first, and let me find my phone and get you pricing. Let's talk shipping. This thing was like that. I bought this on Friday. Friday was when it launched, and it said it shipped on Saturday. Now, it didn't actually ship. That was just like when they created the label, so it emailed me telling me that. Didn't actually go on, like actually get shipped out till Monday, which makes sense. And then it was here on Wednesday. So I bought it on Friday and it was here on Wednesday. Like, what? That's almost Amazon quality. Anyways, okay, so the collection as a whole is $52. Let's see what they are separately though. Oh, they're sold out. But I'm sure they'll be back. I don't know, actually. I'm sure it'll come back. Okay, so separately, the mist is $32 and the primer is $28. So let's look at the mist first. So this is 4 fluid ounces. Is that standard? Oh, they're clear back there. I think it's standard. It looks like a standard bottle size, so let's use this. Now I will tell you, I have used this once. I tried this out the day I got it. So I have used it. And like, first, can we just talk about the mist? Like, it's so fine. I almost can't feel it, which is good and bad because then I'm just constantly like spraying it like, did I get enough? But I do like the mist. I got too much in my mouth. Let's read about it because they were talking about like the quality and like what was in it was so good. So let's talk about that real quick. So on the box, at least, it says it's infused with saliporine B. I don't know if I said that right. Which is proven to increase moisture levels in the skin by up to 6,000%. Jesus. Does this say anything else? Apply a veil of this lightweight mist before makeup as a setting spray or when you need to refresh your complexion. It's refreshing green tea and cucumber aroma calms your mood, and it's infused with willow bark that calms your skin, restoring it to its ideal pH. And then we already talked about the 6,000% moisture. Anything else? It's not loading. Okay. So far, I love the mist. When I tried this before, I don't know what it is, but when it's getting in my mouth, it's got like an alcohol feel, which it doesn't have alcohol in it, doesn't? Because I shouldn't say that before I look. I don't think it does. You know, there's all these fancy words that I don't know what they mean, but I don't think it has alcohol in it, but it just like, not that it should get in your mouth, like close your mouth. But anyways, when I tried this before, I only tried this as what I just did now before my makeup. So I have not tried it after because I was going to work and I was slightly afraid that maybe it might ruin it. So I just played it safe, but we won't play it safe today, don't worry. Okay, let's go in with the primer now, which by the way, that set down really fast and my skin is not sticky. I'm sorry, I'm touching my hair a lot. I don't like it down, it's bugging me. Anyways, primer. What can we say about you? 1.3 fluid ounce, which I think is fairly good. I actually have primers right here so those I can reach. This is not even 1 fluid ounce. What about you? What's something close we can compare it to? This is kind of close. This is 1 fluid ounce, so it does come with slightly more than your standard in this kind of shape. I did try this yesterday. It does come out, oh shit, it comes out fast and you do not need a lot, I've noticed. So it just is like it looks like lotion in a way, but when you put it on, oh my god, like to me it almost reacts like a water cream. Oh god, I forgot about the smell. I'm not a fan of the smell, but I don't know how to describe it. I feel like I've smelled this before, but I haven't. I don't know. I'm horrible at describing things. I don't really like the smell, however, it does not last very long. It's kind of overwhelming, but not too overwhelming. And I mean that like, I'm trying to think. What's it called? This guy. Oh, Lawless Woke Up Like This foundation. That is an overwhelming smell of floral. So it's not overwhelming, but it is pretty intense. But I did notice yesterday it did go away pretty fast. Let me see what they say about this. It says that it's a layer of the primer which locks down moisture and glides on easily to create a smooth, flawless canvas that lasts for hours. It's an aroma of green tea and cucumber. I bet you it's the green tea that smells weird. Says it's a drink of water for your skin thanks to the infusion of hyaluronic acid, willow bark, and 60% water. It's a unique texture. Unique texture transforms from a cream to water droplet on your complexion. God, I can't read. Immediately blurring over pores, boosts moisture levels, and giving skin a fresh, dewy skin. Whatever. I cannot read out loud. I don't know why. I guess maybe I can see the blurring a little bit, but I would not definitely look to this to be something like specifically for that. This is definitely just more for hydration. Yeah, like I said, I can get over the smell. I can't really even smell it that much anymore. Like, it dissipates pretty fast. So I'm okay with that. Why am I putting it back in the box? I will tell you, so far though, I love how that feels immediately. I'm obsessed with those like cream to water feeling because it just feels like it's hydrating. I don't know if it is, but it feels like it is, and it just feels amazing. Okay, let me go ahead, do another video in order to actually, you know, do my face. Or should I just do my face here? No, that'd be a long video. Let's not. You don't want to see that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera. Okay, so I am done with my makeup. I did go ahead and use this to set my makeup because I like to use a setting spray. I like to use a setting spray before I do like anything on my eyes. So I did already use it and I didn't see it affect the product. Let's go ahead and just use it again right now as a refresher. Although I did just do my lashes, so maybe we should wait. Or we'll just do it around them. We'll just do it around them. Whew. Just a refresh. Looking more glowy now. Yes, yes, yes. So, my opinions on these products are that I do really like them both. I think if I had to choose, I would pick the primer over the spray, only because I feel like I can get this spray or something fairly similar to it in a cheaper price point. However, I do really like this primer. I can't say I've really found a primer that does the cream to water feeling in a drugstore price. If you know one, let me know, just out of curiosity. But I do really like this. I do really like both of them. I'm just saying, if you wanted me to choose one, if you couldn't afford to get both of them, I think I'd get the primer over the spray. But I do really like them both. I definitely will still be using them both. So yeah, there's not much else to say. I really like both of these products, and I think they were definitely worth the money in my opinion. But like I said, I understand not everyone can afford the bundle, so if I had to choose, I probably would pick the primer over the spray. But I do really like the spray. I love the mist on the spray. So yeah, these are definitely both wins in my opinion. So that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.